Sibani.
Sibani.
Khamba njani Sibani?
Kambe kulunge Sibani.
Siyahlangana futhi Sibani. Siyahlangana futhi Sibani. Ngifuna sikhulume kabanti ngale ndzaba yalilebo.
Angimathi siwentana ngathi akalimunyi yani.
I think Sibali Lilepo believes he's bigger than the club. Kaizer Chiefs saved his career. Yamthatha yamletha lana and made him who he is today. Then today, he wants to act like Nwabali. Now he wants to act like Nwabali. What's happening, Spal? Can you just give us some context as to what is happening with Lelepo? Why the sudden change? Because Pela Lelepo in his match, Mona happy, and he has a 2.5 contract. It's supposed to end next year in June, the contract, and he wants to terminate. What's happening?
I'm not sure whether it's the previous episode or the one we did, because we did quite a lot of episodes.
Yeah, we did quite a lot. You can say previous. All of them that we did are
previous. Yeah. But Njoba Shilo would say, no problem when it comes to keeping my player in South Africa. It's more like, even coaches just come, would say, Babane CV, they clean. Then once they get that recognition, bafuna kamba. Lang frustrated kakhulu is because we have been patient. We have been patient with him as Kaizer Chiefs fans, because it's not like every season we got deliver. Even though last season, when a season lebet. Yeah. All of it all Kaizer Chiefs. It's not like he has been delivering in the past season, but solo Siambege Telel.
January last year.
All of a sudden, ma offer. La ifuna ukala akahamba, ufuna kuhamba. And I so good see they are offering $1 million US. Depending on the exchange rate, that is 16 to 18 million. Yeah. Sometimes 9 million. Previous. I'm not sure about that number. 9 million. Egypt Agmelanga 83 days if it's a small team. If he wants to leave, they should let him go. Precisely for that amount. If ever there's a team out there that is willing to give a Kaizer 16 million, then Agaham.
And that's a profit for the club.
Yeah, Agaham. Then we are going to reinvest Leo Maleo in someone else. So Singa Treaty is a second class of a football team. We are one of the biggest teams in South Africa. Longer player like Kaizer is a privilege to play for a Kaizer Chiefs. There's quite a lot of players out there Labafuna Kambabo represented the team there. So if everyone is starting to get the platform, we're talking now, then Utonufuna Kam, then we expect to was signaling. Mean angembonly level someone as a Chiefs who are itling towards the end. As started the man, we can even demand more. Okay, we are willing to let him go. Let's undo it. Mabakale Slangana Mkatin, then going 18. We the Malay intention because we get this man, we are going to get 2 players, PSL or elsewhere. It's not like Lilepo is superstar, someone la pusha it. I go to a level. Relay is 20 times the player that Lilepo is. So I'm going to cling it towards Lilepo.
But how do you then address the gap? Because I think last season has been solid for Amakos. So how do you then address the gap? Who will then come in and fill in that right wing position?
I don't see anyone in the country that can come in and close that gap. Obviously, Kaizer Chiefs, we have recruiting agents. Surely, my players out there, Africa, my players in Europe. We can go and get someone. We can take that risk. Jomang Shilo earlier on, because football is a risk. You take that risk. You bring someone. Maybe Angasawa is success. Maybe Angasawa is failure. But you take that risk. But the thing is, Wonkomula Kaizer Chiefs, it's okay. I'm in one of the biggest teams. Not even one of the biggest team in this country. So, okay.
Kali.
Okay. Okay. again, I'm in the most decorated South African team.
Oh, yeah. Now
So
you talk.
playing for Kaizer Chiefs is a privilege. Mawulapho kwamele ube grateful ukuthi you manage to play for that football team. Maybe ukuthi lama player ayithandi Kaizer Chiefs as much as we do. Meaning it's a moon langafuni to play for us. Akahambe anyone, including Peterson. Uma Peterson angavuka kusasa thina angisafuni ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, even though he was our best player last season. Abamyekela hambe. The very same thing applies to Mtau, Sundowns. And I think Sundowns should...
Sorry, Spali. Ngicela ukubamba kancane. Silenzele sound lela. Then
So njengoba ngisho Spal ukuthi playing for i-Kaizer Chiefs is a privilege. If ever ungafuna ukudlala abamyekela hambe. I don't understand ukuthi why ne-Sundowns ifuna clinga towards Mtau. As a team, you should have that pride. Ukuthi thina sifuna ama-players that want to play for us. There's no player that is bigger than the team. So lilebo uthi nofuna kuhamba, let's take the money. Futhi singasamgcina naye utawubuya na the same mentality next season. Angazabuya next season abhedze kufika someone offerishe imali less. I don't even think Lilebo is worth 16 million. No ngoba sithi bas offerisha 5 million for Lilebo bendoza kahambe. So why manje sende in a big team? Kaizer Chiefs is bigger than any football player in the country. It's either you want to play for the club or you don't. I was to the medicine nawe hamba mafuna kuhamba.
the conclusion lengita draw
Yeah.
kuloko akunabhara ezonqenqa.
Asinqenqemuli.
Akuyabhara intotsewa la. So bafethu besingiphathele lokho nje kule episode lesidiski parliament. Asivani nekutshatsharaka. Asivani nekumadlandlalada nebudedengu nje into lesingavanayo. Nemaphara.
Vela funa uvuka hambe.
Nemaphara. And say bafethu promote para like higher. So now if you want to promote para, make sure that you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you see caution of para corner like South African football.